Hi, I'm Karen Shields, and I'm in my first year principalship at Stake Elementary School. My previous job allowed me to spend a lot of time working with BTs, meeting with them once a week, and kind of coordinating professional development opportunities for them for what they needed. And now, as the principal, not only do I feel pulled in so many directions that I don't have time to necessarily get to BTs one on one like I would. But I also am struggling with budget issues where the district has cut funding for our BT program. I've met briefly with Teresa, the person here at my school responsible for helping BTs, and I'm a little frustrated because I don't, A, have a whole lot of answers about what to do for the budget, and not knowing the school all that well, I'm kind of frustrated that my veteran AP, as well as Teresa, who is supposed to be responsible for this, is coming to me with problem after problem after problem, but never any suggestions. I have some ideas, some suggestions, but I'm hesitant to mention them because I'm worried that Teresa knows that that's my previous experience, and I don't want to make her think that I don't believe in her ideas, but I need some solutions instead of constantly just I wonder if she has any. And I would be happy to give her my feedback if she would just mention them to him so we could talk about them. I'm also working with the budget right now. I'm trying to juggle 960 money and what I can spend that on. I'm trying to budget out Title II money, which can only be spent on professional development. And I have some ideas about professional development again for BTs and would be happy to utilize that money there if only I knew what district or state options were here for this district. But again, that's where I feel like Teresa or even my AP should have some opinions and be coming to me with some suggested solutions. Um, um, Maybe collaborative planning. I just really don't have the time to come up with the ideas, but I'm happy to meet with Teresa to talk about solutions. Um, anyway, hopefully she'll come to me with some solutions moving forward. Thank you.